Walk into a forest, and you are surrounded by giants. Towering trees reach for the sky, their leaves rustling in the breeze, but what you see is only half the story. Beneath the surface, hidden from view, lies another world. This is the realm of roots, fungi, and soil, a world of intricate connections and silent conversations. For centuries, we thought trees were solitary beings, competing for sunlight and water. Now we are beginning to understand that trees are social creatures. They communicate with each other in remarkable ways, and at the heart of this communication lies a secret mycorrhizal networks. These underground fungal networks connect trees, allowing them to share resources, send warnings, and even support their offspring. This is the story of the Wood Wide Web, a hidden world that is essential for the health of our forests and our planet. The discovery of these networks has revolutionized our understanding of forests. It is a story of cooperation and interdependence, reminding us that even in the seeming silence of nature, a complex and fascinating dialogue is always taking place. Imagine a network of threads so fine that they are invisible to the naked eye, yet so vast that they stretch for miles beneath the forest floor. These threads, called hyphae, belong to fungi, and they form a symbiotic relationship with tree roots called mycorrhizae. Mycorrhiza literally means fungus root, and it describes the mutually beneficial partnership between these two organisms. The fungus, with its vast network of hyphae, acts as an extension of the tree's root system. It can access water and nutrients, like phosphorus and nitrogen, from the soil more efficiently than the tree roots alone. In return, the tree provides the fungus with sugars produced during photosynthesis. This exchange of resources is the foundation of the mycorrhizal network. Through this underground network, trees of different species can connect and communicate. It is like an intricate underground highway system, with nutrients and information flowing in all directions. This Wood Wide Web is essential for the health and resilience of the entire forest ecosystem. One of the most important functions of mycorrhizal networks is nutrient exchange between trees. Trees need nutrients to grow, and these nutrients are not always evenly distributed in the soil. Through the fungal network, trees can share resources, ensuring that everyone has access to what they need. For example, a large old tree with a well-established root system can use the network to transport nutrients to younger saplings growing in the shade. This is particularly important for seedlings struggling to survive on the forest floor, where light is scarce, but the sharing is not limited to one direction. Trees that are actively photosynthesizing can send excess sugars through the network to trees that are experiencing stress or damage. It is a remarkable example of cooperation and mutual support in the forest community. Section 4. Mother trees and the next generation. In the intricate web of the forest, some trees play a particularly important role. These are the mother trees, the oldest and largest trees in the forest, with extensive mycorrhizal connections. They act as central hubs in the network, supporting the growth and survival of younger trees around them. Mother trees can identify their own offspring through chemical signals sent through the mycorrhizal network. They preferentially allocate resources to their kin, giving them a better chance of survival in the competitive forest environment. This nurturing role of mother trees highlights the complex family dynamics that exist within forest ecosystems. This interconnectedness through mycorrhizal networks ensures the regeneration of the forest. Even when a mother tree dies, its legacy lives on in the network, supporting the next generation of trees and maintaining the health of the forest ecosystem. Section 5. Beyond nutrition, chemical messages and warnings. The Wood Wide Web is not just about sharing food, it is also a communication highway, allowing trees to send chemical messages to each other. When a tree is attacked by insects or infected with disease, it can release chemical signals into the network, warning its neighbors of the threat. Upon receiving these warnings, other trees can activate their defenses. They might produce chemicals that make their leaves less palatable to insects, or they might increase their production of resins that help fight off infection. This early warning system, made possible by mycorrhizal networks, is crucial for the survival of the forest. Some studies suggest that trees can even distinguish between different types of threats and tailor their responses accordingly. For example, a tree under attack by a particular species of insect might send out a specific chemical signal that attracts the predators of that insect. This remarkable level of communication highlights the intricate web of relationships that exists within forest ecosystems. Section 6. Guardians of the forest. The ecological importance. Mycorrhizal networks are not just fascinating examples of nature's complexity, they are essential for the health and functioning of our planet. These underground networks play a vital role in nutrient cycling. Fungi in mycorrhizal networks help decompose organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the soil and making them available for plants. This efficient nutrient cycling is crucial for maintaining soil fertility. Water regulation. The vast network of fungal hyphae helps bind soil particles, improving soil structure and increasing its water-holding capacity. This is particularly important in times of drought, as it allows forests to better withstand periods of water scarcity. Carbon sequestration. Forests play a crucial role in mitigating climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Mycorrhizal networks help trees store this carbon in the soil, contributing to long-term carbon sequestration. Protecting mycorrhizal networks is therefore crucial for maintaining the health and resilience of our forests and for mitigating the impacts of climate change.